wych bod yna Wi-Fi yma ar y stryd fawr. Nid yn unig i'r cyhoedd allu cael mynediad i'r well, ond mwyn i busnesau lleol Llanberis allu cael gwell cysylltiad efo'r ymwelwyr, mwyn i ni allu casglu data.
And what we're really hoping here in Llanberis is that our visitors, when they park up, before they head straight up the Llanberis path on their way up to Rydym, that they'll use the digital platform to find out a little bit more about the village and perhaps sort of come and wander around the shops and the cafes and take advantage of the services that we've got to offer here in the village. So like a digital signposting way of people finding their way into Llanberis.
Mae'r ffwtbol ar y stryd fawr yn Llanber, does am rhugol na rheswm iddo fo. So fydd o'n really handy cael gwybod o ble mae pobl yn dod, i oedran, a be maen nhw'n neud pan maen nhw yn Llanber. Fydd o'n just really diddorol cael gwybod mwy o manylion o be mae'r ymwelwyr yn chwilio amdan yn Llanber.
So it'd be good for locals as well, so they can keep up to date with sporting events and what's going on in the village when there's likely to be a big influx of tourists. They can perhaps work around that a bit.
Poor old shop next door.
Yeah,
sometimes the shelves are completely empty.
Shopkeepers and anybody offering meals.
That's right.
It'd be very useful to see the trends of how busy certain days of the week are. And
Dwi wedi bod yn deud erioed peth pwysica mewn unrhyw bentra rili de, ydy bod y lle yn lân, bod y bwyd yn iawn, bod y llefydd yn daclus, a bod pob sy'n dod yma ac yn mynd o yma yn hapus ac yn deud, rhaid ni mynd yn ôl i Llanberis, neu deud wrth pobl eraill, cerwch i Llanberis, mae o le braf i fynd iddo fo.